challenging parts of working in construction is that your workplace is always changing by the end of each shift. So the job is never dull, but the job sites can be dangerous as they are being built. What does a construction safety professional do on a day-to-day basis? Typically, construction safety professionals will start their day with a safety message at the Plan of the Day meeting. The Plan of the Day meeting is where construction leadership sets out the priorities and projects that need to be completed. From there, the construction safety professional's job could include performing job site inspections or walkarounds to ensure there aren't any hazards posing immediate threats to workers, giving worker safety training to perform job tasks or for compliance purposes. Training can cover many topics like how to keep workers safe while working at heights, with electricity, on scaffolding, and more. Working with other team members to plan high-risk work and eliminate hazards. Perform industrial hygiene sampling, like testing for welding fumes and oxygen concentration in confined spaces. And presenting to leadership and the workforce new programs, ideas, or needs. The safety professional's main job is to create a safe and healthy working environment. So what are the main hazards of construction? In the industry, we call them the Fatal Four. The Fatal Four are the hazards that seriously injure or kill construction workers on the job. They are falls. Fall hazards in construction can look like roof edges, called leading edges, roofing work, holes, excavations in the ground, wall openings, equipment, and hoist areas where objects are raised and lowered, like elevators. Construction safety professionals address fall hazards by putting together a fall protection program. The fall protection program will typically include worker training on how to recognize and eliminate fall hazards, how to wear proper personal protective equipment, also known as PPE, like full body harnesses, and procedures for the whole organization to follow to keep workers safe. Struck by object. Struck by injuries happen when someone gets impacted or hit by an object or a piece of equipment. Struck by injuries happen when objects fly, fall, swing, or roll in an uncontrolled manner. Some examples of workers being hurt by struck by hazards include bricks being hoisted up and falling out of a bucket to hit a worker below, workers struck and killed by vehicles on highways during road construction, and workers struck by piping while lifting the pipe out of an excavation. Safety professionals help prevent struck by injuries by performing equipment inspections, providing training to workers to stay out of the line of fire, which means to be careful where you stand or work during overhead operations, which includes hoisting and lifting objects by cranes. Electrocutions. Electrocutions occur when a person is exposed to a lethal amount of energy. Electrical hazards occur on construction sites and expose workers to burns, electrocution, shock, arc blasts, fires, and explosions. Workers are typically exposed to electrical hazards in construction by contacting overhead power lines or energized sources, or improperly using extension cords. Construction safety professionals develop and manage electrical safety programs involving inspecting power tools and cords, using lockout-tagout procedures, and identifying electrical sources like power lines. Caught in or between is the last of the Fatal Four hazards. These injuries happen when a person is caught, squeezed, pinched, or crushed between two objects. In construction, caught in or between hazards occur in several ways. Cave-ins happen while trenching or excavating, and that is when a worker is caught in the soil's weight. Other caught in between hazards can include being pulled into machinery or pinned between heavy equipment. Construction safety professionals develop machine guarding programs to ensure that all hazardous machinery is adequately guarded, preventing anyone from getting caught in or between the equipment. They also develop excavation safety programs to ensure that workers are protected while trenching that includes various levels of training depending on the risk. Additionally, construction safety programs require the use of spotters around heavy equipment to ensure that the operator has eyes on the ground to keep workers safe. What is the job outlook for construction safety professionals? All safety-related roles are projected to increase through 2024, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. More than half of safety professionals are set to retire soon, so in combination with the increase of jobs, there will be plenty of room for young people to enter the profession. Construction safety professionals also have earning power. In 2018, the Board of Certified Safety Professionals and the American Society of Safety Professionals conducted a salary survey of over 10,000 safety professionals. The median base salary for full-time professionals was $97,000, with 22% of respondents earning $125,000 or more. Many universities and colleges have bachelor's, master's, and doctoral degree programs in occupational health and safety. Completing your bachelor's degree in a safety-related field is one way to get into the profession. Many construction safety professionals start off working on their tools in unions or companies and then start getting safety training and education and move into safety positions in their respective organizations. A combination of formal education and construction experience is advantageous for construction safety professionals who want to grow their careers. Construction safety careers are rewarding because they are challenging. This career offers increasing job availability all over the world, great salaries, opportunities for career advancement, and leadership. If you like solving problems, helping workers learn to stay safe, and being outside, the construction safety professional is definitely a career for you.